Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjadai. In today's video, we are going to discuss about celebration of Har Ghar Tiranga 2025 and how to participate in that. The objective of this campaign is to encourage citizens to hoist national flag at their home and build a personal and emotional connection with Tiranga. This year, Har Ghar Tiranga program is celebrated from 2nd August to 15th August 2025. I have given the official link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Once you click on this link, it will take you to this website by Ministry of Culture. If you scroll down here three options are given to you, like you can become the volunteer for Har Ghar Tiranga, or you can upload your selfie or host the flag. So to participate in this program, it's 3-step program. So first step, you need to enter your detail. In second step, you need to click a picture hosting the Tiranga, and in the third step, you need to upload the picture. Now let's see how can you do all these things. So for that, you need to go up and you need to click on upload a selfie. Once you click on that, here they are going to ask your detail as the first step. Once you enter the first step, so in your detail you need to enter all these things like your location, state, district, everything. Then click on upload a selfie. Once you click on upload a selfie, you are going to get two options. Either you can click the photo, or if you have already clicked, you can upload through your file. In this way, you can participate in Har Ghar Tiranga and you will get your certificate of that. Now let's see what is the correct way to host a flag and what is Flag Code 2002. The Flag Code of India 2022, which we must follow. What is Flag Code of India? Flag Code of India bring together all laws, convention, practice and instruction for display of Indian national flag. It governs the display of national flag by private, public and government institute. The Flag Code of India took effect on 26 January 2002. What is appropriate size and ratio of national flag? As per Flag Code of India, the national flag shall be rectangular in shape. It can be of any size, but a ratio of length to height must be 3:2. What should I keep in mind while displaying the national flag at my home? Whenever national flag is on display, it must occupy the position of honor and should be distinctly placed. A damaged national flag should not be displayed. What should I keep in mind to avoid incorrect display of national flag? The first thing, it should not be displayed in inverted manner. Second, a damaged national flag shall not be displayed. Third, national flag shall not be dipped in salute to any person or thing. Next, no other flag or bunting shall be placed higher than or above or side by side with the national flag. National flag must not be allowed to touch the ground or floor or trail in the water. National flag shall not be displayed or fastened in any manner as may damage it. And lastly, the national flag shall not be used as a portion of costume or uniform or accessory of any description which is worn below the waist of any person, nor shall it be embroidered or printed on cushion, handkerchief, napkin, undergarment or any dress material. Now, how should the national flag be disposed? As per the Flag Code of India, if national flag is damaged, it shall be destroyed as a whole in private, preferably by burning or any other method considering the dignity of the national flag. The national flag, if made of paper, is waved by the general public. This flag should not be discarded on the ground. This flag should be discarded in private, keeping in mind the dignity of the national flag. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.